Hello everyone. Come into a kneeling position. Extend your right leg out to the side, toes pointing forward. As you inhale, raise your left arm up and stretch over to the right. Feel that side stretch. This is a gate pose. Exhale, return to the center. That's one. We will do this 12 times on the right side. Move slowly and breathe with each repetition. Now switch the side, left leg out, right arms lifts. Stretch to the left and return to center. Let's do 12 repetitions on this side as well. Feel the entire left side body opening and stretch to your right side. Let's do our next exercise, spinal waves, that is downward dog to upward dog. Come into downward facing dog. From here, lead with your tailbone, ripple your spine forward into upward dog. Exhale, lift the hips and return to downward dog. That's one. Let's repeat this exercise 10 times. Use each breath to guide your wave. Feel every part of your spine waking up. It feels like a body waves from downward dog to upward dog. Feel that stretch in shoulders, back of your body, hamstrings, ankles, and relax. Child pose to upward dog. This is our next flow. Lower your knees down and sink into child's pose. Rest your forehead on the mat. Feel the calmness in this moment. As we inhale, slide forward into upward dog, opening the front body. Exhale, back to child's pose. Flow slowly and mindfully between these two postures. Repeat this movement for 10 times. Move gently and stay connected to your breath. Exhale to your child pose. Inhale to upward dog. Exhale to child pose. Inhale to upward dog. Come into next pose, that is high lunge to pyramid pose. Step your right foot forward between your hands, coming into high lunge. Arms can rise overhead or stay on your hips. Hold for a few breaths. Now, straighten the front leg, folding over into pyramid pose. Keep both legs strong. Inhale, bend the front knee and return to high lunge. Exhale, fold into pyramid. We will do 10 rounds on the right side. Flow slow and steady. This will make you aware of your hamstrings and shoulders. Now switch to the left leg. Left foot forward into high lunge. Inhale to rise. Exhale to fold into pyramid. 10 rounds on the left side. Inhale to rise. Exhale into pyramid. 5. It improves the function of your abdominal organs and digestive system, calms the mind. It teaches you hinge from your hip crease. It relaxes the calf muscles, strengthens your both the legs and back muscles. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Come into our next pose. This is three-legged dog to high lunge twist. From downward dog, lift your right leg up into three-leg dog. Stretch and breathe here. Now bring the foot forward into lunge and lift your right arm to twist open to the right. Hold this high lunge twist, tightening the spine and opening the chest. Bring the hand down. Step back to three-legged dog. Repeat the flow for 2 to 3 times on the right side. Breathe in between. Exhale. Then switch to the left side and repeat the same flow. This is a dynamic exercise that combines a lunge, a leg lift, and a torso twist, targeting the legs, core, and balance. It involves stepping forward into lunge, which will strengthens the legs and the core. The twist helps to improve flexibility in the hips and spine. The combination of movement requires balance and coordination to maintain stability. Our next stretching exercise is cat and cow with a variation where we are keeping our right leg outside the mat. Come onto all fours, tabletop position. Inhale, arch the back, lift the head and tailbone. That's cow pose. Exhale, round the back, turn the chin, cat pose. Now Add a little wave through the spine, shifting your weight slightly forward and back. Let this be a fluid movement. Switch to other side, keeping the left leg out of the mat. Exhale. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. This exercise is also called Marjarasana. It stretches and strengthens spine and neck. Helps to regulate breathing. Best to improve your posture. It helps to release stress. Improves flexibility in the hips, abdomen. Now we are doing supported side plank to side stretch. Extend your right leg back and bring your right hand to your hip. Support yourself with your left hand and knee. Come into supported side plank. Hold and breathe. Lift the right arm overhead and stretch it long for full side body stretch. Hold for few breaths. This is also a type of dynamic exercise. From downward dog, shift your weight and flip into wild thing. Let your heart open, arm reaches overhead. Stay here for a breath or two. Now come back through center and extend your right leg through to fallen triangle. Arm lifts up. Feel the twist and strength in the pose. Return to downward dog and repeat wild thing to fallen triangle on other side. Move with grace and control. We are now at the end of our session. At the end, bring your hands to your heart. Take a deep inhale and exhale slowly. Thank yourself for showing up this morning. May your body feel light and your mind clear. Thank you.